So, hi guys, welcome to Get Rebel Life TV. This is where we promote African culture, traditions, and religion. I thank you all for showing me love on this channel. I thank you all for your support, both in cash and in kind. So, I just have a brief update for you, and it's all about our Yoruba learning channel. So, as I told you, before now that it's very, very important to understand Yoruba language if you want to practice Ifa effectively. So don't let anybody deceive you. All you need, the first thing you need to understand Ifa perfectly is for you to understand Yoruba language. So I'm talking to those of you who are not Yoruba speakers, and I'm so much proud of you guys because you are the one uh, taking Ifa so seriously, even more than us in Yoruba land. So I'm so much uh, proud of you guys outside Nigeria. And for those of you who are in Nigeria who are not Yorubas, but you love Ifa. So I want you guys to take the knowledge of Yoruba language very serious before you start your Ifa journey. And this is the reason why I created a call Ede Yoruba YouTube channel. So this channel is mainly for the teaching of Yoruba language. So I have hired a teacher, a Yoruba teacher, and I still want to hire more teachers on the channel. So I just started the channel. For those of you who are not aware, who are not yet aware of this channel, I will be leaving the fly out right up there for you to be able to get direct access to the channel. So this is the update that I have for you. For instance, now I have a book that I got. I went for a festival in Oyo, so I got this book. Just very small. I call it small but mighty book. This book is so loaded with Iwe, Ijuba, Pelu, Oriki, Ifa, Eyo, Ifa, as you can see, Ifa. So like this book, if you lay your hands in a book like this, is written in Yoruba. So that means this book is very, very is loaded with Ifa stanzas, and for you to call yourself a Babalawo, you must be familiar with Ifa stanzas. So as you can see, there are so many Oriki Ifa in this book, and they are all written in Yoruba language. So if you have a book like this, for instance, and you want to read it, and you're not a Yoruba, so don't let anybody deceive you. For us to translate these very stanzas to English is not that easy. Even chanting of Ifa uh, is pretty much, uh, sounds good to chant Ifa with the Yoruba language. Okay, so that is the rich, that is the beauty of our Ifa stanzas. So it is so sweet to chant Ifa in Yoruba language. So the channel is there, and this video is mainly to remind you of this channel. So just go there, go to Eko Ede Yoruba TV on YouTube, subscribe. Subscription is free, and anytime we upload new videos on the channel, you are going to be notified. Click on the subscribe button, then remember to click the bell button so that anytime we upload new videos, you are going to be notified. Now, the channel is one of the kind, because you can hardly find a Yoruba teaching channel that is well designed like that of Eko Ede Yoruba, because we started from the scratch, and we got uh, the very curriculum that is being used in Yoruba land to teach Yoruba is what we got, and we just started. So and we are still going even to the university level to teach you guys Yoruba language. Okay, so just go to the channel, watch the videos. We have a playlist. For now, we have 3 playlists there, and we are still going to add more playlists. So you can click on any of the playlists that you want. Just click, make sure you watch all the videos so that you can have a very good understanding, very good background of Yoruba language. So I thank you all, guys. I will be putting the video, the link to the end screen or at the end screen of this video. If you want to get straight to this channel, I call it the Yoruba, so you can easily get there at the end screen of this video and fly out on top of this video, and you can share the description section of this video as well to get straight into this channel. And you can as well search for it, Eko Ede Yoruba TV. You are going to see my profile picture there, so for you to know that is from me. And thank you. So if you need this book, it's good as well. If you are a Yoruba person, if you need this book, it's just a small book. So if you need it, it has Orin Ifa, Ìwé Ìjúbà Ifa, Ìwé Ìjúbà, Ìwé Ìjúbà, Ìwé Ìjúbà pẹ̀lú Oríkì Ifa. So I'm sorry for those of you who do not understand Yoruba. Well, you can get this book for yourself and practice the pronunciation. It's good for you as well, so that you can be familiar with Ifa stanzas. Okay. Thank you very much. Don't forget to go to Eko Ede Yoruba TV on YouTube to subscribe free of charge if you want to learn Ifa very well. So you have to understand Yoruba first thing first, because if it is when you understand Yoruba, you can be able to chant the Ifa stanzas correctly and perfectly. You can even be able to pray with Ifa, and there are so many incantations that you can chant in the Yoruba language. Thank you. I get a better life. Bye for now.